Hello, guys, and good morning. So, this is a sample of TEF assessment questions that I'm going to be attempting. So, here I've made a video before on how to win the TEF grant with how to answer the questions that are asked. So, this is a follow up on the video of the assessment question. So, there are going to be 10 questions in all, and you have 40 minutes. Is a personality test. And they said, please note that you have to answer all questions and you can take this assessment only once. So that means that you can only take this only once and you have to attempt all the questions. There are 10 of them, and let's start. So I'm doing this so that you can be able to see and prepare ahead for your own. All right, let's click on start. Yes, begin test. So this is question one. You can see the timer. The timer is counting down, and the question. Okay, I'm still waiting for the question to pop up. All right, this is question one of 10. That is a financial statement that summarizes the amount of cash and cash equivalents entering and leaving a company. That is cash flow statement. Next. So I can already see question two here. Question two is that is a 10 to 15 slide. This is a pitch deck. That is a 10 to 15 slide presentation to introduce a business proposal, mostly associated these days with an investor. That is a pitch deck. It's not a business plan. A business plan is much more longer. So a pitch deck is a slide. This is one of the services that I offer for entrepreneurs that are seeking fund. So I can also see question three here. The question three is, which of these business networking organizations is most suitable for a startup? Strong contact networks, casual contact networks, community service clubs, online or social media networks. So the answer is strong contact networks is most suitable for business. So question four is, what two elements of change often go hand in hand and are among the most difficult to change? So there are elements of change that usually go together and are very difficult to change. So we have the first one here, elemental and strategic change, structural and political change, structural and cultural change, economic and policy change. So the answer here is structural and cultural change. These two often go hand in hand and are most difficult to change them. So we're in question five here. In listing the common leadership traits that create loyal employees, Megan Byro mentioned all except. In listing the common leadership traits that create loyal employees, Megan Byro mentioned all except telling the truth, being fair and open, clearly communicating roles and responsibilities, being forceful in assigning tasks. Okay, this particular question is not tricky. I think it's very clear. Listing common leadership traits. A leader have to tell the truth. A leader have to be fair and open. A leader have to clearly communicate roles and responsibilities. So all of these are they are essential for leadership. But I don't think a leader have to be forceful in assigning their tasks. So I'm going to select this. So question 6 of 10. What is the final stage? What is the final step in crafting a good elevator pitch? What is the final step in crafting a good elevator pitch? Number one, identify your goal. Yes. Number two, put it all together. True. Number three, practice. Number four, engage with the question. The final step is practice. Practice, practice, practice. After you have done everything, you practice. Question 7. Ben is a leader of his team. This is evident in his qualities, such as being committed, trustworthy, decisive, and creative. He is also respectful and loves to micromanage his team members. There I think Ben isn't doing something right in his qualities. What is it? Let's go over it again. Ben is a leader of his team. This is evident in his qualities such as being committed, trustworthy, decisive, and creative. He is also respectful and loves to micromanage his team members. Diara thinks Ben is not doing something right in his qualities. What is it? Mm, okay. Here, let's choose micromanaging. Question 8. Business conditions change constantly, so your market research should be continuous, paused, ignored, built, continuous. So, question 9 is accurately list the stages of a customer's lifestyles. Accurately list the stages of a customer's life cycle. Acquisition, reach, conversation, conversion rather, retention, and advocacy. Acquisition, conversion, reach, retention, and advocacy. Reach, acquisition, conversion, retention, and advocacy. The answer is C. Reach. You have to reach them first before you acquire and convert and retain them before they turn to an advocate. Question 10 of 10. All the following must be considered in building a marketing plan except remember in marketing and entrepreneur book in school, textbooks, there are 4P of marketing. We have place, price, product and promotion. There's no event. So the answer here is event. So guys, once you are done with the 10 questions, you just click on submit test. By clicking yes, the test will be submitted. Do not proceed if you are not ready to submit the test. I'm done. There's nothing I want to use the remaining time for again, so continue. All right, so it's this simple. I think all these questions are going to be the same. You can just follow how I've done it here and, you know, complete this question stage and move forward to submit. So once you submit your test, then your application will be submitted. Note, if you do not submit this test or if you do not do this test, your application is not submitted yet. So these have to be done, these have to be submitted before your application will be submitted. So that now leads to the declaration. Please complete the following. So all right guys, this is the end of the video. I've been able to take you through the test and I believe you can be able to do that on your own. Please share this video, like my channel, and also share the video with some others that you know will benefit from it. In this place, they just ask you, have you applied for TEF entrepreneurship program before? If you have not won before, you can press yes. Have you received no? Do you have a business partner? Just if you know, all of these are something that you can do on your own. Is until you do all of this declaration, then you can be able to press submit. All right guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much. Ensure you subscribe to my channel for more business tips. Thank you.